Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to replace the cabin air filter in a Toyota Avensis T25. First, open the glove box and remove the screw from the glove box damper. I recommend taking the damper out completely, just like in the video. It will be easier to put it back in later. Remove the glove box by gently wiggling it left and right. There are two clips holding it. The cabin filter is located under this black cover. Remove it by pressing the two clips on the left and right sides. Pull out the old filter and clean the housing. Slide the new filter in. Important, there is an arrow on the filter. Install it with the arrow pointing down, exactly as shown in the video. Put the cover back on. You should hear a click. Reinstall the damper. Put the glove box back in its place and attach the damper to it. Tighten the screw holding the damper. And you're done. That's it. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe to the channel.